Good morning, Sunday. Everybody up and about. God, it's beautiful, sun rising. Wind not blowing quite so hard, but we had a stakeout last night anyway, wind or not. So, we had a good steak, grilled out dinner and all. So, come visit us out Alcova Methodist Church. We're doing Mission Sunday this Sunday. I think we start at 9:45 in the fellowship hall. And also come visit us. We're doing our mission work, filling lunch bags for kids at school. So got some birthdays. Had one left over yesterday. Miss Donna's son Andy. It was his birthday. Happy birthday, Andy. Got two young ladies today, Mason Lee and Vivian Kate. Miss Wanda's granddaughter. So happy birthday to y'all.
Madison.
Madison, yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know what I said. But Madison Lee and Vivian Kate. So everybody have a wonderful Sunday. Enjoy it. Here's our bell ring. Hey, Miss Lee.